Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, allow me to take you into the future. The year is 2030, and the question is, will you be ready? Ready to own, not just a truck, but a throne. Ready to command not just the road, but the world. This is the story of the Ford F-150, a story of royalty, a story of untouchable power, a story that only a chosen few can live, they say. In the kingdom of trucks, many warriors exist. The Chevy Silverado, the Ram 1500, the GMC Sierra. They fight, they roar, they try. But when the king arrives, silence falls. Because when the Ford F-150 enters, every other challenger bows. Power. Do you think power is just horsepower? No. Power is the silence of the crowd when your engine starts. Power is the way billionaires look at you when you arrive. Power is when your machine turns envy into respect. That is the Ford F-150. Not just a truck, but a crown. Luxury. Do you think luxury is leather seats, touchscreens, and chrome handles? No. Luxury is when the color of your F-150 costs more than an average man's life savings. Luxury is when people wait 2 years for a custom order. Luxury is when kings compete for the same model. That is the Ford F-150, the real definition of luxury. Colors. In the royal world of the F-150, a color is not a color, it is a declaration. Black, not ordinary black. Diamond black, polished 12 times, sealed with rare wax. Cost $10,000 above base. White, not plain white, royal pearl white. A shade so luminous it glows like the crown of a king. Add 15,000 blue, not simple blue. Midnight sapphire, limited to 100 trucks per year. 18,000 extra, crimson red, the Red Majesty edition. A secret reserved for VIP buyers only. 20,000 above the base. And then gold, real gold. 24-karat plated trims. Golden embroidery in the seats, a logo that shines like a royal seal. $500,000 up front, and a wait of 2 years. But when it arrives, it is not a delivery, it is a coronation. Stories, legends, myths. In Dubai, the Crown Prince ordered a fleet of F-150s, each in desert gold, each worth $1 million. In Texas, an oil tycoon gifted his daughter an F-150 with diamond dust stitched in the seats. Cost more than 10 Ferraris. In Hollywood, actors hide their F-150s in private garages, away from the cameras, because they don't want the world to know their secret passion. That is the aura of this truck, the aura of the king. Plates? Yes, the number plates. A truck is just a truck, until the plate makes it legend. In America, in Dubai, in Saudi Arabia. A single-digit plate, number 1, number 7, number 9, they sell for millions. One auction in Saudi Arabia, a man paid $14 million for a plate, and he put it, not on a Bugatti, not on a Rolls Royce, but on an F-150, because even money knows where true royalty belongs. The Royal Platinum Diamond Edition, only 7 in the world. Dubai, Texas, California, London, Tokyo, Saudi Arabia, Switzerland. Price, $3 million. Guarded like treasures, some locked in vaults, some driven only once a year. Each one is a crown on wheels. This is why the F-150 is more than steel, more than horsepower, more than luxury. It is an empire. Business tycoons invest in it, because it appreciates like gold. Celebrities own it, because it is silent power, and silent power is the most expensive power in the world. When you sit in an F-150, you do not just drive, you reign. When you start the engine, you summon thunder. When you accelerate, the world bows. When you stop, the silence is heavier than gold. Ford F-150, built to rule the road, built to rule the world, built for monarchs, built for legends, built for those who do not chase luxury, but define it. And now, I ask you, by 2030, will you be ready? Will you be ready to sit on the throne of kings? Will you be ready to enter the circle of legends? The choice is yours. Remember, there is no second place in this game. There is only the throne. And if you work hard, if you fight for your destiny one day, yes, one day, you too will have it. The Ford F-150, the crown jewel of the road.